Hello and welcome to my channel. Today we are going to discuss the remaining taxonomical categories that we are discussing. In the last video we have discussed about the lowest and the smallest unit of classification, that is species, and we have discussed about species class biological concept which is given by Ernst Mayr. That is, it includes a group of closely related organisms which can interbreed in nature and can produce fertile offsprings. Okay, so this is the small recap of what we have learned in our last video, and today, continuing with that topic, we are starting our first starting from the genus today. Okay, so first one is our genus. Okay, so what do you mean by genus? Genus is a group which has similar species. Okay, a group which has similar species. Okay, means species is the smallest unit and a number of species come together which have similar characters, come together to form genus. Okay, like if I take examples, then example of genus are like Panthera tigris. Okay, like that, Panthera leo, then Panthera pardus. Okay, these are what the species which has same genus, means these are the closely related species. Okay, that are means they have some similar characters, so they are kept into a similar genus, that is Panthera. Okay, so they are all similar to each other. Clear? I hope this much is clear to you. So let's take the second one. Apart from this, let's take one more example to understand it clearly. Okay, like Solanum tuberosum. Okay, potato. Then Solanum nigrum, Solanum melogena. Okay, same as we have discussed in Panthera genus, they have Panthera tigris, Panthera leo, Panthera pardus. Similarly, these are closely related to each other. Now here tuberosum, nigrum, and melogena are also related to each other. Okay, so they are kept into similar genus, that is Solanum. Here, let's move towards the next one, that is the family. Okay, so as similar species come together to form genus, same here we have the similar genera kept in one family. Similar genera kept into one family. For example, In example, we have Panthera, okay, and Felis. Felis is a genre which have domestic and smaller cats, okay, and kept into these are kept into in a family called Felidae. Okay, this is the family of Panthera and Felis. Clear? Likewise, there are many examples if you want to take. Then moving towards the next one, that is order. Okay, order. All similar families kept into one order. Yeah, like similar genera kept into one family. Now here similar families kept into one order. For example, Felidae and Canidae. Okay, these both have families, and Canidae includes dog family. It includes dog family. Okay, and Felidae and Canidae is put into or kept into one order that is known as Carnivora. Carnivora. This is the order of Felidae and Canidae. Clear? Up to here I guess everything is clear. Next, moving towards the next one, that is class. Okay, class. Now all the similar orders are kept into class. Similar orders. Orders kept into one class. Now if we take in some example, that is Carnivora and Primata, which includes primates. Okay, and they are kept into same class, that is Mammalia. Mammalia. Clear? Now moving towards the next one, that is phylum. In plants it's division. Okay, so phylum, same as that is similar classes kept into one phylum. So let's take example. Example are like Mammalia, Aves, Pisces, Reptilia, Amphibians, that is Amphibia. They all are kept into one phylum that is known as Chordata. As they all have at least one character in together, they are kept into Chordata. Okay, so moving towards the next, and the largest category is kingdom. Kingdom is the largest and most diverse category or say group. Okay, and what kingdom constitutes? All the similar phylum phyla are kept into kingdom. Okay, like chordata, example like chordata, echinodermata, mollusca, porifera, platyhelminthes, and etc. Okay, there are many phyla, and all these together are kept into one, that is Animalia. Okay, in later classes we'll come to know that there are 5 kingdom classification. In a broad concept, there is a 5 kingdom, 5 kingdom classification we have in our biology. Okay, and according to that, these species are grouped. Like if I name some, that is you know uh, Monera, protesta, fungi, animalia, plantae. These are the 5 classification we are going to discuss in our biological classification class. Okay, chapter actually. So till now we have completed our classification. Now in the next chapter we are going to discuss the uh, taxonomical aids. Okay, so keep watching. Obviously like, share and subscribe my channel, and if you like, please do share it as well. Okay, and keep on reading and stay safe. Thank you.